So if you are saying this person is going to be an Holy Spirit and be in every committee and then boost the MK's presence in those committees, it's practically impossible. He cannot match the kind of leadership that we have deployed in that parliament. And we don't get threatened by anything. We do our work, not because we want to outshine anyone, but because we genuinely believe in this work, and we put a lot of effort in researching about what we're going to speak about. And that, as a result, has helped to, enlighten a lot of people in South Africa that, oh, things work in this way, things work in that way, because of the work of the EFF. Nothing has changed. The EFF is in parliament. The EFF will continue to play a meaningful role in parliament.
Thank you very much.
Stands for, and the EFF has always said black people must unite. It is disingenuous to form another party and say you're calling for black unity. Once you form a party, you're already dividing people. So if you wanted to call for unity of people, you should have joined the EFF and not form a parallel organization. But I've got a problem. Why is this unity of black parties only directed at EFF? They never complain that the ANC doesn't want to unite with them. They never complain that PA doesn't want to unite with them. Every time, EFF. We're not going to allow that. You can see it's not black unity. This is an agenda to destroy the EFF. Because why are they not giving you a report about black unity with UDM? Why are they not giving you a report about all these many black formations that are there? So we don't buy into that story because we believe that it's not genuine.